Hey, Jeff checking in here from South Cumberland State Park outside of Monteagle, Tennessee. Check out some of the information here. I'll show you around this one little park site. Well, maps, park, etiquette. It's cool. It's one of those parks that kind of strung along. So this is milepost 10.5. Little map. We're at the Meadow Trail. Waterfalls, swimming, caves. Should be cool. I think over here there's going to be some raptor rehab or something. Oh, hey, how's it going? Is that like a raptor or anything?
Yeah, so we have a red-tailed hawk on the left, and then we have a barred owl on the right.
Oh, cool. All right. Let me show some people from home. Okay, I didn't ask her to film. Might should have, but nice park ranger. Red-tailed hawk. Beautiful bird. Barred owl. He just wants us to leave him alone. Check this out. The Storybook Trail. And there's even other small book stations. Pretty cool. Facilities, it's a welcome center, baseball field, nice camping. Park ranger lady was really nice. Just how many times see basketball and tennis in the state park. Great picnic shelter. It's nice. Alright, let's go see the waterfall.